I'm gonna walk around Critter Country in Tokyo Disneyland. This is the area of the park I never go in, and it's unique to TDR, so I'm gonna walk around and see what I can find. Got the train going by now and some critters. The entrance is on the side of Fantasyland across from the Peter Pan attraction queue. People are waiting for the parade later. And that blue wall is Dumbo is under construction. So you can see the steamboat over there. We've got this bridge. This bridge is a little uneven and uphill. My friends who spend a lot of time in Critter Country say that it's usually pretty empty. And of course right now the main restaurant here is closed. This is Grandma Sara's kitchen. What is Grandma Sara? I don't know. She looks like... What is she? Not a badger. What's the word? I cannot think of what that animal is called. But it looks like that's her little house, right? Can you tell I don't know the TDL lore? And look, there's still some snow. It just snowed here 2 days ago, and that's so funny. They still have snow in the park. I'm just glad the sun is out. What's that called? It's not a muskrat. It's... I don't know. Anybody else know the song Muskrat Love? By Captain and Tennille? Even though that's not what Grandma Sara is. So we've got these little flower boxes on the side of the restaurant. Oh, this is cute. She's in a little copper pot. Here's a planter with some flowers, restrooms, and canoes. This is a cute photo spot in the middle here. There's a little well. Don't bang your head on it. Looks like there's some coins down there. And some critters are holding it up. I'm glad it's a pretty day because the snow and the sleet here has been so depressing recently. I'm glad we have a blue sky. That's why I came today. This section has a really nice view of the park. So you can see Big Thunder, the canoe ride, and here is the entrance to Splash, which is closed. It is crazy. I went on Splash here before it closed down. So my last Splash Mountain was in Tokyo Disney, not in Disney World. Here's Brer Rabbit. Oh, let's go look at this stuff. I'm gonna have to Google that animal because this is driving me crazy. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this house. And look at the table with the snow on it. Is it animal marks too? I hope that's like a Tokyo Disneyland cat paw. Who knows? That's so funny. Oh yeah, over here we've got some details too. So here's the exit to the restaurant. But this tower is giving Rapunzel's tower, right? The in-universe badger version of Rapunzel or something. Someone make up headcanon for this. I'm sure Pocahontas and Miko have. It's like we're doing some work over here. The little apples in the window are cute. Hi, BGM. And this wagon says Critter Book Club, Bargain Books, Critter Classics. Okay, so that means there is an in-universe book club for these critters. I'm learning the lore. Here's a downward slope, and I don't know where we're going because I've never been back here, at least that I remember. Some interesting benches. Oh, I've definitely seen this in photos before. I will not be making comments on it, but it's just a regular cave. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Look at all these little details here. I'm sure a lot of people that try to do TDL and TDS in the same day miss out on things like this because you have to really know because they're so hidden here. This is their little City of Embers, I guess. I don't know why I said that. It's just their regular home underground. I don't know why I had to anthropomorphize them. Some water fountains. Oh, what's this door? Just a door. This looks like the movie Dinosaur, the Disney movie Dinosaur, where they block off the entrance to the place they gotta go. I'm really good at describing movie scenes. And just a chair so a little critter can watch the train go by. This is not a good time to come to Critter Country because everything's closed, obviously, but that's why it's good to film now. Another cute little door. Critter Country, especially right now, early 2026, seems like a good place if you're someone that gets sensory overload, and you're definitely like to in Tokyo Disney, or just Tokyo in general in the tourist areas. If you need a quiet place to chill out, if you don't mind the banjos, I recommend here. Here's where they had the photos of Splash. Rare Fox, Rare Bear, and Rare Rabbit. Throwback to when they were in the hoedown at Magic Kingdom. The characters are, you know, very comical, very slapstick. I wish their movie wasn't what it was. The snow is just killing me. Restrooms are over here. The saloon closed. Again, definitely a good place if you need a chill place to eat a snack. Got some bears over there and hand washing station. This is like the VIP seat. Check it out. This is a good little photo op here. You step into this tree stump, and you can see some of the water still has ice on it. And look up at Splash. It's so silly. Now, what is down here? I do need to go get a drink or a snack and head out to the mini parade, but it's fun exploring Critter Country because there's so many little spots in here. This is under the train tracks. Wow. Love this bear. And the canoes. There's even more little details out there on the island. And that's where you load the canoes. Over there is Big Thunder area. Here's the sign for the canoes. Check out my ears. That's cute. So I don't know how far I can walk back here. This is a walkway behind the canoe queue. I feel like this is just excess area. And yeah, here's the back of the canoes.